We guide you through how to turn on autoplay on the YouTube app for both iPhone and Android, so videos will automatically play one after another without you tapping anything. First thing you need to do is to open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to your account. Start playing any video, then look at the top area of the video player where you'll see an autoplay toggle switch. If it's off, simply tap it to turn it on, and it will change color to show it active. If you don't see the toggle there, tap your profile picture in the top right, go to settings, then tap autoplay and switch on autoplay next video. On iPhone and Android, these settings works the same and will make YouTube automatically load and play the next recommended video as soon as the current one ends. You can also manage autoplay for mobile data by checking your data settings inside YouTube to avoid using too much internet. Once this enabled, you'll have non-stop playback while watching regular videos, playlists, and even suggested content.